Information about timber market in Belize. The timber industry has historically been an important part of Belize's economy, and the country is known for its high-quality tropical hardwoods, such as mahogany and rosewood. In recent years, the government has made efforts to promote sustainable forestry practices and to combat illegal logging. Northern Belize is home to several large timber companies, as well as smaller independent loggers. These companies typically export their products to the United States, Europe, and other international markets. The demand for Belizean hardwoods has declined in recent years due to concerns about deforestation and illegal logging practices, but there is still a market for sustainably harvested timber. If you are interested in investing in the timber industry in northern Belize, it is important to do your research and to ensure that any companies or projects you support are operating legally and sustainably. You may want to consult with local experts and organizations, such as the Belize Forest Department, for more information.